Have you ever tried to AirDrop a photo or file and suddenly realized it went to the wrong person? Or you saw multiple devices pop up and didn't know which one to choose? Well, after updating to iOS 26.2, Apple added a brand new AirDrop security feature that completely solved this problem. With iOS 26.2, Apple introduced AirDrop codes for unknown contacts. This means if the receiver is not saved in your contacts, the transfer won't start immediately. AirDrop adds an additional layer of verification when using AirDrop with unknown contacts by providing a code on the receiver's device that the sender must enter to complete the transfer. Let me show you how this works in real life. I'll select a photo and tap Share. Now I choose AirDrop. Here's my iPad. It's nearby, but it is not in my contacts. As soon as I tap it, look at this. A verification code appears on the receiver's device. The receiver tells me the code, I enter the code, and now the file is sent successfully. This means no more accidentally sending photos to the wrong person, no more guessing which device is which. AirDrop is now safer, smarter, and more private. So if you're using an iPhone or iPad, make sure you update to iOS 26.2. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Apple tip.